Hey, everyone, welcome back to Easy Home Kitchen Care, where we bring you the best products to elevate your home and office space. Today, we're reviewing an incredible decor piece that's been trending everywhere, the Kazeila artificial olive tree, 6 feet tall. This lifelike faux plant promises to transform any room with its natural charm and zero-maintenance design. If you're looking for a way to bring the beauty of nature into your home without the mess or responsibility, this might just be the perfect choice. Let's dive in and see why it's capturing so much attention. Detailed review. 1. First impressions and aesthetics. The Kazeila artificial olive tree is nothing short of stunning. Standing tall at 6 feet, it instantly grabs attention with its lush greenery and elegant design. The leaves are made from high-quality silk, giving them a soft, natural texture, while the realistic olives add an extra layer of authenticity. The tree trunk is crafted from natural wood, creating a perfect balance between artificial convenience and natural beauty. When you place this in a room, it doesn't just blend in, it transforms the entire space. 2. Versatility for any space. One of the best features of this tree is its versatility. Whether you're placing it in a cozy living room, a sleek office, or a warm corner in your bedroom, it complements every setting. Imagine walking into your home after a long day and being greeted by this beautiful piece. It's refreshing, calming, and uplifting. And because it's tall and slim, it's ideal for small spaces too, like hallways or apartment corners, where you want a touch of greenery without overcrowding the area. 3. Zero maintenance, stress-free greenery. Let's face it, real plants are beautiful, but can be a hassle to maintain. With the Kazeila artificial olive tree, you get the beauty of nature without any of the work. No watering, no pruning, and no worrying about sunlight. It's the perfect solution for busy individuals or anyone who struggles to keep real plants alive. And because it's made with premium materials, it stays looking fresh and vibrant year-round. 4. Build quality and durability. Durability is another strong point of this tree. The leaves and fruits are securely attached, ensuring they won't fall off easily. The natural wood trunk gives it a sturdy foundation, while the pot at the base provides stability, even in high-traffic areas. You won't have to worry about it tipping over, whether it's in your home or office. 5. Enhancing decor and style. The Kazeila artificial olive tree isn't just a decoration, it's a statement piece. It fits seamlessly with various decor styles. Modern spaces adds a touch of greenery and softens sharp, minimalist designs. Rustic homes. Complements wooden furniture and warm tones beautifully. Boho chic decor pairs perfectly with woven baskets, rugs, and vibrant textures. Whether you're taking Instagram photos, hosting guests, or simply enjoying your space, this tree enhances the atmosphere effortlessly. 6. Eco-friendly and long-lasting. Unlike real plants, which may need replacing if they die, this artificial tree is a one-time investment that lasts for years. And because it doesn't require water or sunlight, you're saving resources too, making it an eco-friendly option for decor lovers. Why you'll love it. Hassle-free maintenance, no water, no trimming, no sunlight. Elegant design, natural wood trunk and silk leaves for a realistic look. Versatile placement, ideal for homes, offices, apartments, or even commercial spaces like cafes and salons. Durability, built to withstand years of use without losing its charm. Timeless beauty, adds sophistication and warmth to any room. Now that you've seen how stunning the Kazeila artificial olive tree is, imagine how it could transform your own space. Whether you're redecorating your living room, creating a calming office corner, or just adding a pop of greenery to a dull area, this tree is the perfect choice. Click the link in the description to check it out and bring home a piece of timeless elegance today. Thank you so much for watching today's review on the Kazeila artificial olive tree. If you loved this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Easy Home Kitchen Care for more product reviews and home decor ideas. Let us know in the comments where you would place this gorgeous olive tree in your home. And as always, stay tuned for more exciting content. See you in the next video.